and welcome to my tutorial for making vegan mince pies. So today you'll need a dry fruit mix, a tin of fruit in juice, sugar, cinnamon, mixed allspice and ginger, and you'll also need an orange and an apple. So you're going to use puff pastry for the base, and for the time being set that aside, and you need to preheat your oven to 200 degrees or 180 degrees if it's a fan oven. And then you need to put all your mixture into an oven proof dish. So if you get your dried fruit and your tin of fruit and juice and mix that in, and then add the sugar and the spice mix, and then you need to grate your orange peel into the mixture, and then take the pulp and the juice and squeeze that into, and grate your apple, and then mix it all in with your sugar, and you pop that in the oven for half an hour. You're looking for a gooey mixture, but remember, once that's come out, you'll be putting it in the pastry cases and baking that for another 15 minutes, so you don't want it to be too dry. So the next thing, once you've got your mixture in the oven, you take your pastry, and you can use a pastry cutter if you want, or you can just use anything that's lying around to get your shapes. So today I'm using a glass to make my round pastry shape. So I'm going to move the camera so you can see what I'm doing down here. There we go. So I'm going to start off by making my round shapes, and you want to place these onto a baking tray with baking parchment on it. Oops. There you go. And then once you've done that, you get a smaller shape, and you want to make a very small indent in the pastry, and when you place the fruit mixture in the middle, this will just allow the pastry to hug the mixture when it's cooking. So you don't want to go too deep, but it's just enough to allow the mixture to sit within the pastry when it's cooking. Okay, so once you've got this and your mixture's cooked, you put a spoon full of the mixture into the center of each of the cases. So, and then once you've got the mixture on there, you place it in the oven for 15 minutes for the puff pastry to cook. And that's it. So I'll put a wee picture on at the end of the video to show you what they look like when they're cooked. Once they've cooled, I like to dust them with some icing sugar, and I've got some silver cake decorating spray and some gold just to make them a little bit blingy. But yeah, it's as easy as that. So good luck. I hope you enjoy making the pies and let us know how you get on. Thank you. Bye.